Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Quest, and today I'm going to share an extremely simple 2-minute recipe which you can try at home when you feel to eat something different. Sometimes we all feel that we want to have that restaurant valley feeling at home only, and we want to eat something different, something hatke, something alag, something delicious, but something easy to make because we don't want to get into a lot of hurdles to just make a delicious food. So yeah, if this happens to you, then this video is just for you, which demonstrates a quick and delicious recipe to give that restaurant valley feeling with the basic ingredients. And to be honest, believe me, I'm sure that each one of you will already have every single ingredient for this recipe at home. Moreover, apart from being quick, easy and delicious, this recipe is also very healthy. Yes, so all the people out there who want to eat something delicious but they are on a diet, or they में से जिसको भी कुछ junk food नहीं खाना है, आप you want to stay healthy, you want to stay fit, then this is just for you. So the name of this recipe is French toast, and the synonyms are eggy bread, Bombay toast, German toast or gypsy toast. So now without wasting any time, let's get through the video and see how to make this delicious and healthy and very much quick recipe.